Kaden 去你個 left side。對住塊板向四。OK， 捉實，捉到我塊面，唔使驚，你坐嗰啲，我影你。驚，嗰啲可以上落去嘅，好玩嘅，你睇下，look at it, look over there。Kaden 呢個影咧有冇個 red light 啊 ？Is it on？ 你坐嗰啲，坐過嗰邊。唔係我影唔到你啊。
No。
驚未啦
That's what I'm talking about when gang。
坐入去。
No。
我影唔到你㗎。
我知你好攰。
你坐嗰啲，如果唔係唔 balance 啊，你坐 move a little bit to left， 係啦係啦，再啲再嗰啲，冇嘢捉實就唔會有事。記唔記得你隻耳仔做乜仲係彈出嚟㗎
？OK。
多機能動咧就咁啊。
Five is scary. See? Told ya! That's what I'm talking about when I'm scared.
Scared 咩啫？我唔知你 scared 乜。捉實啦！你凍就喺度講，有鼻。我而家錄緊 video 㗎。Son, is it red? Have a red light.
Oh, the six is the
你睇下幾叻。
Watch.
Wow.
Watch and learn.
Yeah, S.
See? See? That's what I'm talking about scared.
呢個細佬叻。哇！佢全部打 S 落嘅。哇！你睇呢度好似幾斜喎呢度。Kaden。
That's what I'm talking about.
哇！你睇呢度幾細個，一個細路仔自己喺度玩。
Or next, I don't want to go up here. Next, I want to go home. Okay, here's some stuff. See, that's what's scary. We could fall down any time.
一陣落嗰陣時咧 ，point 你個 board straight。你唔 point， 你會唔會咁 point 啊？如果你 point 呢度咧，你就衝去嗰邊；你 point 呢邊咧，衝去嗰邊。
I'm so scared.
Point 你呢個 board straight，right？
More difficult.
OK， 準備落㗎。準備落誒嗱，整定隻腳喺度。Look， 整定隻腳好似咁啊！我哋要就嚟落㗎啦，唔使驚㗎。
Oh, I don't want to be nice. I don't want.
見唔見隻腳點啊？跟住隻腳擺一路係咁擺側邊。
Hey, who touched me?
唔驚嘅。哇，好凍嘅。
I really don't want to see them. It's scary.
我哋一落啦 ，scary.
No, not yet. Not yet.
You ready?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, you ready? 得啦，要出去啊！
好驚！
擺隻腳呢個好嘅，你咁，你擺隻腳啦，你唔擺隻腳咁，擺隻腳好似咁，擺隻腳咁企。
I'm not ready for this.
你準備擺隻腳落喺度，落去。
Scary. Scared.
You luck.
We're not going up. We're not going up.
OK， 我哋企咗呢度先。嗱，習慣啦，習慣。
We're not going up.
習慣下，擺隻腳出嚟一路行，好似我咁睇我隻腳嘅。Just walk. We're not going up. We just walk over there. No, Kaden， 永遠隻腳會唔會咁擺㗎？擺喺度行下，係啦。OK， 擘大手試下大字，試下點啊？飄點啊？點停啊？停係想去個 board 去邊度？係啦，挨後個人係啦 ，good job。OK， 我而家停咗呢個先啊。